Hello everyone, we are 3D RENS. This is our product RENSI, a mobility IoT management platform. Nowadays, there are huge demands in mobility industry, such as logistics, vehicle leasing, and government. In Taiwan market, more than 230,000 units of this industry are moving on the road. For effective management, these companies begin to check their assets to grow their business. However, the majority of the small and medium-sized enterprises don't have their own technical team to build up their own assets tracking management system. Eventually, this company hang back from this due to time-consuming and high expenditure. Let's take a real case for example. A scooter rental chain store has asked us for a solution about collecting some information they want, such as where was those scooters going, how to deploy and manage those scooters, where is the popular attractions, and how to increase user by historical data. For solving this, we provided them a management platform RENSI. By using the GPS tracker provided by us, it can collect the vehicle's location information and send it to our RENSI through various communication protocols. We've also collected the functions which used to be requested by mobility industry, such as positioning, vehicle maintenance management, vehicle dispatch, statistic reports, and event alert. After that, our customers can easily choose the functions they need in RENSI's backend by their demand. Therefore, our solution can fulfill their requirements and assist their business. There are two charging methods. First, our customer can subscribe RENSI's servers. Second, we provide customization to our customers for their special request. Our early profits come from license fee and customization. With the completion of analysis module, the later profits comes from value-added service such as driving behavior analysis report, vehicle maintenance tracing, and UBI smart contract insurance. This is our team. We not only have a strong technical background, but also partners from marketing, advertising, and data analysis. One of our members is from Malaysia, and he is very familiar with the Malaysian market. We signed the cooperation with the Ministry of Economic Affairs to serve as a leader in the new software clusters. And the following is our plan for the second half of this year. First of all, we will develop our RENSI from prototype to product and sell it to our MOU customers, and including scooter rental chain store, scooter manufacturer, Malaysia logistic company, and Singapore share bus. And this is the reason why we want to join the vision program and go to the Singapore. Second, we negotiate more potential customers. Third, we are invited by Ministry of Transportation and Communication to participate in the PT Spec meeting, and we will join the Taiwan Automobile Network Alliance. Besides, we enter for some contests to gain exposure and cooperation opportunities such as this vision program. This is our distribution of expenditure at second half year. In order to reach the goal, we need 120,000 US dollar for the next half year. In last few months, we have completed the RENSI prototype, and in the next half year, we are going to complete the RENSI product and find more customers. In the first half of 2019, we will start to develop second generation GPS tracker to meet more demands. And in the second half of 2019, we will release UBI and maintenance tracing function to public. And in 2020, we expect more than 10,000 devices to connect to the RENSI. Thank you for your listening. We are 3D RENS. We are committed to better mobility for the future.